332 million, and I'm trying to figure out what my estimate to complete is. And this particular program manager says, well, you know, I'm doing okay, and I've forecasted my future, and I think I have about $200 million worth of work to do, so my estimate to complete is $332 million. This is from a bottoms-up perspective, looking at the work that has to be done. Well, in this case, that's about $20 million, and actually $18 million less than the planned cost. So let's use these metrics that we developed with our performance indices, and let's do a little bit of analysis on the schedule, on the integrated master schedule, to see what the calculated or forecasted independent estimate of complete looks like. So for example, I can start a new project, and I find this really useful for prototyping. So in some cases, I mean, depending on the client, depending on the application, they might be using higher fidelity tools as far as their execution. They might be using SharePoint or projects. So I might start a new project, and then I have a template here in a mind map or in a map part. I can just bring it over, and it kind of sets a template.
Okay.
You know, here it's structured. This is a very U.S. Department of Defense way of planning, and you can see some of the nomenclature here. So
Sure.
We break it down into events, accomplishments, and then criteria or packages. So you can see for event A is going to have a variety of accomplishments with tasks. I can then open that up in a Gantt chart, prototype that quickly, redefine